So let's dig deeper into this mysterious shape which doesn't seem to follow any of our rules. Suppose you're at a birthday party and you have to slice the birthday cake so that it can be distributed among your friends. How do you do it? Let's bring up a cake here. Chocolate cake.
Nice.
Okay, take a piece for yourself. Go on. Do you know what you did? You created a part of the circle.
I'm sure it's going to have a complicated mathematical name.
Hey, don't worry. It's an easy one. It's called a sector. So, if this is a circle and I cut it along two radius lines like this, separate this bit, it's called a sector. And this section of the circumference is called an arc. Let me now define it to you because it will now actually make sense. A sector is the area enclosed between two radii and an arc.
I know that this small section is a sector. What about the rest of the circle? And by the definition you gave me, this also has two radii and an arc.
Yes, you are right. If you cut the sector out of a circle, then the rest of the circle also makes a sector. The only difference is that one is larger and one is smaller in terms of the area enclosed between the radius lines. So when you and I discuss about the sector of the circle, so that we don't get confused about which sector we are talking, we give them some very obvious names. So this one, the bigger one, is called the major sector, and the smaller one is called the minor sector. Now, going back to our chocolate cake, what if I cut it like this and I separate this section?
What a badly cut piece of cake.
This badly cut piece of cake, my dear, is called a segment. If I have a circle over here and if I draw a chord and decide to chop off part of it, the area enclosed within this arc and the chord is called the segment. Also, before you ask me the question this time, this is also a segment, this is also a segment. The one that takes up the larger area is called the major segment and the smaller one is called the
minor segment.
To keep learning with such engaging videos, download Byju's, the learning app today.